Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Control Center with the PS button. Once visible, move directly to Settings and choose Accessibility. You do this because the Invert colors toggle lives under Display and Screen options. It changes how the console renders UI colors system-wide. Make sure your controller is responsive before proceeding, and if your screen is dim or mirrored, adjust brightness temporarily so you can see menu labels. Once ready, select Display and Screen to reveal color filters and inversion settings. You now enable color inversion or high contrast from the display settings. Press the toggle to turn it on, because this instantly swaps UI colors to improve visibility. Once enabled, explore any intensity sliders or filter presets to fine-tune contrast and reduce washed-out images. This preserves game readability while keeping HUD elements clear. Make sure to test in a running game or within menus before finalizing, and if required, adjust back and forth to find the optimal balance for both. You finish by saving the accessibility settings and checking multiple apps and games to ensure inversion applies consistently. If colors don't change, restart the Ps5 to force the settings to load system-wide. This solves most cache-related hiccups. If inversion breaks UI legibility or causes graphical glitches, revert display defaults first, then disable the feature. If problems persist, power cycle the console and update system software. One troubleshooting tip: restart before deeper resets, as that often clears display state conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.